results every time you blend. The Calphalon Auto Speed Blender automatically senses and adjusts power. A precise 10-speed control. Powers a dual direction 6-point blade to pulverize in seconds. There are 4 convenient presets: smoothie, dip, milkshake, or frozen drink. Reverse and standard pulse give ultimate anti-jam control. Powerful motor, durable all-metal drive, and specially engineered jar deliver precise results.
Hi, today we want to introduce you to the Salad Master from Tower, the perfect multifunctional accessory for the kitchen. This electric mandolin slicer has 5 interchangeable, durable stainless steel blades that are perfect for slicing and dicing, chopping and grating your favourite ingredients to make a perfect salad. Powered by a 250-watt motor, the slicer has a smooth, easy motion, so creating this appetising lot couldn't be simpler. Simply take your favourite ingredients, push them into the extra wide feeding tube and watch your fresh salad fall into the 2-litre container. So the Salad Master truly is the master when it comes to creating delicious salads of all kinds. You have your fine grater for cheeses and your more coarse grater for courgettes and carrots, and you also have your cube cutter for even cuts every single time. And my particular favourite, the stick cutter, which will turn potatoes into homemade chips in an instant. The Salad Master is ridiculously easy to disassemble and no fuss at all to clean. So for appetising salads without the hassle, choose the Salad Master from Tower.